In front of me is OPPO Find X8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit App Lock. Hit Got It and use gray switcher next to App Lock here. Now you need to set up privacy password you will use for your apps. To do that, hit Settings in the pop-up. Then tap on Use a different password type and pick one of those. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Now create it, repeat it to confirm it, and hit Link or Not Now. Now set up your recovery email, link account, and select question. Over here, click on the question, pick one of those, or select custom question to create your own. Then choose confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. Choose done. And finally, to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it. So when I go back and check mine, I can state privacy password is now required. To disable it from any app, go back to App Lock settings. Enter your privacy password and tap on No Blue Switcher. You can also disable App Lock by hitting blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!